Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials that block transactions. Make sure the debit card is active and the last 4 digits match what you saved. Next, confirm your phone has stable internet, correct time and date, and location services set to high accuracy. These affect verification. Open Google Pay, go to Payments, then Add or Manage Payment Methods, have the card and CVV ready. Once done, attempt re-adding or updating the card, so the service can rerun validation and return clearer error details. Now focus on the core fixes. Type card details manually rather than using autofill, and ensure billing address matches bank records exactly. Formatting matters. If the bank declined, call them, ask about merchant blocks, daily limits, or 3D secure/OTP requirements, and request a temporary unblock for Google Pay. Meanwhile, clear Google Pay cache, confirm the app is updated, and reboot your phone to reset secure elements. Once these steps complete, try the payment again to see whether authorization now succeeds. Finish by removing the problematic card from Google Pay and re-adding it cleanly. That often resolves tokenization errors. Make sure SMS and notifications are enabled so you receive OTPs or bank alerts immediately, and check any pending holds on your account. If problems persist, collect the transaction ID, error message screenshot, and any bank responses, then contact Google Pay support. Provide those details so they can escalate. One key tip: if a bank decline repeats, your bank's fraud
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.